my channel. In today's video, we are here in the nation's capital in Washington DC. So we are here. You can see the Washington monuments in today's video. I'm going to cherry blossom. It's peak season right now, so join me in today's video. So let's go, guys. So we just walked from the Smithsonian Metro, which is like 0.5 miles, to the Tidal Basin and Jefferson Memorial. So join me, guys. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. Okay, you can see, guys, at the back is the Jefferson Memorial. So we're going to walk here to see more of the cherry trees along that Jefferson Memorial. we arrived here at the Jefferson Memorial, guys. It's a lot of people, but it's a nice weather. So we'll sit here for a while and enjoy the view. It's a very nice view. I live close to Washington DC, and every now and then, every spring break, I always make sure that I visit the cherry blossom, because this is something that I still enjoy every now and then. And so a lot of students usually come here for spring break. So if you happen to want to visit Washington DC, you can come here like late March or early April. There's a lot of museums, there's a lot of activities and events, and one thing that I also like is it's close to the wharf. Also, you can visit that, and the museums are also, some are free. But anyway, guys, I'm very happy that I work here close to DC.
Broken swastika. The one in the foreground is called a house. Turned upside down. Yeah, we can pause here. That's a good angle. Excuse us.
Guys, thank you for watching. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. So till next time again, guys, and always remember, travel with your heart and let adventure shape your story. Till next time again, guys. Bye.